4199. I got the lowest configuration iQOO 15 phone again. No need for you to say it. I know many of you want to see how this phone performs in gaming, so I arranged it for you. Let's first look at the appearance. As for the screen, 6.85 inches, resolution 3168 by 1440, refresh rate 144 Hz, metal edge.
The frame is square and can easily stand upright. The glass back cover, this unit I have is Legendary Edition. It feels very smooth to the touch and doesn't pick up fingerprints at all. In terms of performance, it is equipped with the 5th. Equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Ultimate Edition processor. Mine is 12 plus 256, a 7000 mAh battery, and 100 watt charging.
In performance mode, it scored 3,820,000 points, surpassing 99% of users. In terms of gaming, HDR is 90, high definition is 90, balanced is 90, and smooth is 144. We play smoothly at 144 frames at 800p. For gaming in performance mode, the touch sampling rate is high, and there's a Q star zone here which enhances resolution and frame rate. You can choose to enable or disable it when playing games.
The room temperature is 18 degrees. There's nothing we can do, guys. The weather is just a bit cool now. The battery is at 97. Let's start directly. Okay, guys, let's jump straight into the game. Hey, just a moment. Let's stabilize it. Let's see. Hey, no problem. Let's record the frame rate. 139, 143. All right, 140. That's good. The birthplace for now is still Monaco. No problem. Let's jump directly. Instantly, 137.
Let's land directly on the rooftop. Oh no, there are a few people, 29, 30, and no guns, guys.
Not good, not good. 33 people. Oh my gosh, let's run without tripping, right? Oh, it's okay. Luckily survived. With 33 people, the current frame rate, oh Monaco, 1.4.
4, haha. Didn't pick up a gun earlier, but now we have guns. Let's go find people, guys. Currently, there are 32 people in this area.
Okay, brothers, we played for 57 minutes. The phone reached a maximum of 41.3 degrees, and the battery is at 76%, consuming 21%. Let's look at this chart, an average of 139.9, and we recorded the whole session. You see, these are all re-entries. The game frame rate, there's no problem playing it, la fa. The frame drop happens at the starting point when you move left and right. And the responsiveness is fine for me. The room temperature is 18.8 degrees, so it's like I'm playing with half a cooler. Overall, playing PUBG at 1080p and 144 frames, I personally feel like I can take off.
So, are you satisfied with this phone's gaming performance?